it's Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no sound issue you're having on your Windows 10 or 11 computer because of your PlayStation 4 controller being plugged in. Now, it thinks your controller is a speaker, and that is why it's automatically switching over the output to the controller. So go to the bottom right and left click on this little speaker icon right here, and then switch on over the output. So we can see this volume bar, click it, go to your sound output, and you can see my headset earphone wireless controller is listed right here. So my controller is listed on my computer as a speaker. So just switch back over to your computer speakers or your headset, whatever you're using. Otherwise, it could be listed as a monitor. So my VG248 NVIDIA high definition audio. If you have speakers just on your monitor. So just find the correct one. You can cycle through these, playing some YouTube videos or something like that, and just listen to the one that works. So you can do it that way. Otherwise, right click right here, and then go to the sound settings. You can open this up, and you can do the same thing under here. Just go to choose to play sound, or choose where to play sound, and choose your speaker under here, and it should work again very quickly. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.